Here we go again. So probably my second largest project that I've done is so we have two 32 kilowatt Viessmann domestic boilers totaling 34 kilowatts, so it's a domestic installation. 500 litre Viessmann cylinder, expansion vessel for that. Twin booster set. This is all droopy because it's not crimped up yet. It's going to be a 3,000 litre tank here for the water supply. Got reverse return set up here for the cylinder, just in case we want to add a second one. Now the second one isn't going to be about capacity, it's going to be about pressure drop. So if we can't get adequate flow for the 5 or 6 bathrooms in the house, what we do is we'll pop a 300 litre cylinder in here and come off these reverse returns. There's one here, stopped off end. Hot water supplies over there, won't bother showing you that bit. But yeah, that'll be able to tag in here, and that should increase the flow to the system. We've got 2 water mains here, one's going to the gym and barbecue area, the other one's going to the kitchen in the main house, and then we've got this one here is the boosted cold. There's going to be a pressure reducing valve in here to match the cylinder, so the pressures into the system should be balanced between the cold and the hot water. We've taken 2 supplies for the hot water, so there's only one coming off the cylinder at the moment, but it goes into 2 50mm pipes going through. Now these pipes here are, I think they're 150 or 160mm diameter pre-insulated pipes with 2 50mm pipes within those, and that's 42mm going into those. The second one down there is secondary return. Now that secondary return is very interesting because the volume of water in the 3 pipes going to the house is 140 litres. So what we're going to have to do there is run that pump continually from the timer on the boiler, and then we'll insert a pipe stat down between the insulation in there, so that when it goes into Legionella cycle, that will send a 24 volt signal through the comms wiring back into the main house, which will turn on a bronze pump in the main house for the Legionella cycle. And the bronze pump in the main house will be operated by PIRs in the bathrooms. So we're going to be delivering a constant flow of water through 32 meters of pipe work under the ground there. The heat loss on that is about 1 kilowatt. That's the rate of loss. So that's going to be about 24 kilowatt hours per day if it's run 24 hours a day. I'm hoping they'll run about 12 hours to 12 kilowatt hours per day, which is enough to heat some people's houses. Will be our ground losses through that, even though it's insulated through those pipes. Got a U16 gas meter going in here, so this bit's commercial. I've got young Abdul coming in to do the gas work for me with his commercial tickets, so they're going to come put the meter in. That's my gas supply up here to the 2 boilers, so that'll be put on an isolator with the test points at the boiler, but that'll be put on an isolation valve there, so that'll be handleable under domestic. I have a U16 meter there, and then this side the gas pipes to the house are going to be 50mm. Something like 16 kilowatts of gas fires and cooking appliances in the main house, and then there's going to be a cooking area in the gym. So there's a gas pipe, that's the one for the house, that's the one for the gym and barbecue area. I'll be going down there. I'm working with a great electrician here, young Sam, very good guy, really meticulous, been spending his time preparing all this conduiting and all the switching boxes and all this cable trays, and this is all in 3 phases. Going to be so I think the red pipe here is going to have the 3-phase feed-in. We've had to space all of our pipes forward here to give the clearance, and Sam's done the same with his conduit here, covering the cable up the back there. and there'll be a 3-phase header, whatever it is on here, and some kind of switching box. And then we've got the mains water coming in here, and that will be spread around filling the boiler and coming across on this 28mm pipe here to feed the 3,000 litre tank. And also teeing off here, I've got 2 tees ready to go to the gym and the house kitchen. So I think that's everything covered. Quite an interesting little project. It's been quite an interesting one actually. The customer's kind of running the project. It's his first one. He's done a lot of research, a lot of calculations, maybe a little bit over specified, but certainly not under specified, that's for sure. So he's bought all of this equipment, ordered it all in, a little bit of consultation with me, but mainly did his own research, and come up with this. So excellent. Yeah, really enjoying it. It's about 2 weeks work in here. Been here now about seven days, I think, doing this lot, and I've got to move into the house shortly to do that, and I'll do an update video when we've got the tank in and a few more bits to show. So hope you enjoyed that, and I hope it helps.